Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we got a CD player. Do you remember I made a video before about me buying a cassette player, and after that I really want to buy a CD player too, and today I finally got it. So yeah, where's the box? Okay, here's it. Here's the Groove Retro Series personal CD player. So I got this from a charity sale I saw in the mall today. And yeah, let's take a look at the box. So here's the logo Groove. I have never heard about this brand, but okay, so it's their retro series. Look at the font, retro. Okay, you can get 90s vibe, right? So here's the CD player, Grove, 60-second anti-skip protection, digital, 1-bit stack, and compact disc. What's this say? Digital audio. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look. The features. Okay, anti-skip protection, don't know what that means. CD something playback, don't know what that means. LCD display, don't know what that means. Oh wait, I do know what that means, but yeah. And let's look at the other features. Okay, CDR dub compatible. You heard it here already. Okay, LCD display. Okay, that's cutting edge technology, right? And 60-second anti-skip protection, also cutting edge. Okay, 20 tracks programmable memory. Oh my gosh, it's groundbreaking. This is a groundbreaking CD player, right? And yeah, I don't want to read this. My throat it's so dry right now. So, repeat function, skip search function, also really cutting edge, right? And let's take a look at the model number, GVPS110BK. What a catchy name, right? So yeah, let's take a look at. Let's open this up. I don't want to like read the whole thing. There's nothing much else. You should see right here, Groov. Okay, so let's open this thing. Oh no, where's the CD player? Here it is. Okay, it doesn't come with anything else. Like as you can see, there's it says free earphone included. Where's the earphone? Where's the manual? Huh? Where's anything? When I opened this the first time, there's only this thing sitting in here. So I don't even know how to use. So okay, let me try myself. Okay, so I put 2 battery in it and put a CD in it. It's Positions from Ariana Grande, and yeah. Let me press start, right? Let me press start. Okay, 60 seconds. What does that mean? Okay. Just play. Just play. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, and then it doesn't work. Yeah. But I didn't give up, okay? I didn't give up. I went to YouTube and I searched for this Grove CD player thing. So there's only 2 videos on it, okay? There's one of them is like a unboxing video, and one of them is unboxing video too, but I don't really remember, okay? Let me see. Let me show you. This one. Grove personal CD player from 6 years ago, and look at the Grove retro personal CD player. There's 2, and this doesn't look the same as mine. That is not even the same model as mine. So let's see. Is there any different? No. Okay, there actually is, but there's not the same model. But it's from official Grove, or I should say Groov-e thing. Okay, what the hell? Okay. I hope it's not copyrighted, but yeah, let's take a look at this brand. Okay, they are make like earbuds, clocks, CD players. They're still selling these boombox like 3 years ago, 2019. Come on, it's 2019, and oh, they got this part cassette player, actually pretty cool, but yeah, and nothing really special. And let's take a look at that only two CD player, okay? And I followed this one. I watched this one, as you can see, this red bar right here, and I follow his tutorial, not actually tutorial. He just play his disc, and I follow his steps, but doesn't work for me. And yeah, I saw when he just puts his CD in, and there's immediately something showed up, and mine didn't. So yeah, I think mine doesn't work really well. It doesn't read the disc really well, and yeah, that's pretty sad. And yeah, that's much it for this CD player. I would just put it somewhere. I know I'm just put it in my drawer or something until like 30 years later my son asked me what the hell is that, and I will answer him, I don't even know what the hell is that. So yeah, let's look at other things I bought from charity sale. I got this Mystic egg ball. I bought it because I read one of the book in the Diary of Wimpy Kid series, and it's about this Mystic 8 Ball. I know if you watched it, but that's the first. Oh, I think that's the first or second English book I ever read. When I was small, and I never read any English book afterward. Just kidding, I did, but yeah. And let's think about a question, okay? What questions should you think about? Should I upload this video to YouTube? So let's take a look at this. Cannot foretell now. And the last thing I got from charity sale is this thing. Space Invaders, fridge magnets, 44 magnets included. I just want to like play Space Invaders IRL. So yeah, let's open this thing too. Okay, open this thing. Come on, give me this. Oh, give me this. Just give me the damn magnet. Come on. Finally. Okay, so these are magnets, nothing very special. So yeah, so let's conclude this video, okay? I hate this CD player, cool Mystic 8-Ball, and I can finally play Space Invaders IRL, yay! So yeah, that's much it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me wait 20 seconds more. I want to like make this video 10 minutes. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Did I say that just now? Never mind, I have to mention. I'll say that again. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.